Hi guys, so today I am documenting a little bit of tiny house stuff. We have already got our trailer, which you've already seen, and now we've also got some of our wood, some of the timber that we need to do the framing and the floor, and we're just starting to attach that now, or well, my husband and my dad are starting to attach that now. I am not currently. So yeah, I'm going to take you to go and have a look at what they're doing.
One number. Yep. So well, this is one. No, hang on. I'll just measure twice, cut once. 3480. Yep.
So are you trimming that piece of wood down to place on
Yep.
there?
Yep. So
Cool.
this is 3.6. So this should be close to 3.4.
So basically, just to let the video world know,
Just put it there.
these pink pieces are not currently attached to the trailer, but we're just leaving them there because there isn't anywhere to store the wood. So we are working around them.
You just got to remember the bit of back pressure on the side as you're getting to the end.
Yep.
Otherwise it'll try to scuff that corner.
Alright.
That's good.
I actually put it in through that end anyway. Because I moved the timber. No, because you can't get it up. Would you be able to grab that and pull that? Well, now. Okay. There you go. Hold it in. Squeeze in. Yep. Sweet.
Okay.
Alright.
That's it. That's enough.
This one might need. Do we care if we take this off or not?
No.
No.
Not unless you do.
No.
Yeah, well you'll be on the edge of it.
Oh. No, this one's been done on an angle.
Yeah. Doesn't surprise me.
Yeah.
On this bit, we'll get the overlap from the.
I think I'm using my phone.
Yeah, well, mine's in the dining room.
Oh, that's good enough.
Yeah? Oh, I'm lying on a bathroom floor. I should only ever have this happen when I'm hungover.
Because don't forget that's got
This is
every
400.
400, yeah.
So this is more solid, but it's going to have a shower in it, so.
So, the next tip is
Beautiful. Jump up.
Come on. Hi guys. Okay, so today is, I don't know what day it is. It's the 11th of May, I think, date-wise. So, we have started putting the floor on. I think I had some clips of us doing something floor-related before. I just don't even remember. It's a Friday. I had a long day at work. Anyway, I'm going to show you what we've been doing. So as I said, we've been putting the floor on. So going to switch the view around and you can have a look. Okay, so we're currently looking at what's going to be the bathroom. Basically this width of ply along is going to be the bathroom. This will be the kitchen area, and then down we're looking towards the living room. So I'll take you down here so I can explain what we're doing with the floor. So basically we've got the framing, as you can see, all along here, and then we've put a little bit in the middle here as well, just for a bit of extra strengthening basically. Then what we do is we attach foam insulation, not foam, polystyrene insulation with glue. So we've got some like silicone based glue which we put around here on the wood all the way around, and then you just slide the insulation in. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but yeah, that's pretty much all we have to do for that. Then once that's on, we put on a sheet of ply. So this ply, I don't know how many mils it is. I think it's 15 or 18, but normally I think you're supposed to use like 21 if it's like a proper house thing, but I think this is 18 mil, I can't remember. But it's also tongue and groove. So over here we have this like blue plastic tongue that slots into the groove that's on the other side. So you slot that in. Actually no, you don't. First we use this wood glue that goes all the way around the frame, including down the middle and down that bit as well. So we glue everything, put the ply on top of that, and then nail the ply in. And that's basically the floor. And what we're doing, we're using a nail gun for the nails. Yeah, so that's kind of pretty much how we're doing the floor. So yeah, as I said, that's pretty much how we're doing the floor. It's nearly finished. We started doing it the day before yesterday, so Wednesday I think we started putting the floor on. Wednesday night, yeah, we put the first piece of ply down, which was really fun. So we're probably going to finish doing the floor tonight, and then